Hello, my dear one student. Today we are going to start the chapter Farming in Palampur, part 3. So, in this chapter, we will read the topic today, who will provide the labor. First, after land, labor is the next necessary factor for production. Farming requires great deal of hard work, especially when we talking about the production, when we talking about the agriculture, labor and land. It's very important. And in a farming, we needed a very hard working peoples. Next, small farmers along with their families cultivate their own fields. It means small farmers, families, they are cultivating his own land. Next, they provide the labor required for farming themselves. It means they are also doing the laboring work and they are passing to the next individual or next labor persons also. Next, wages can be in cash or in kind. It means wages we are able to get as a, we are able to give as a cash also or as a kind. It means look like a barter system. For example, sometimes laborers get meals also. For example, 3 times we were providing the food, sometimes we are providing the clothes, and sometimes we are giving the money also. Next, wages vary widely from region to region, from crop to crop, and from one person activity to another, like sowing and harvesting. It means we are talking about the different village to different village, city to city, the wages or the salary will be different from crop to crop, from one farm activity to another. For example, one labor are sowing the seeds, one person do the harvesting. It means all the responsibility are distributed with the labor in a different manners. Next point, there is also a wide variation in the duration of employment. It means according to the employment, the wide variation, it means salary will be different and the work is also different. Next, laborer might be employed on a daily basis or for one particular farm activity like harvesting or for the whole year. It means that depend on the person who is giving the work. They will just put on a daily basis or for a whole academic year or for a whole 12 months. Dala is landless farm labor who works on a daily basis in Palampur. It means in a Palampur, especially Dala is the name of the person who is landless and who is doing the work as a laborer. This means he must regularly look for work. It means they getting the daily wages money, so he looking for a regular work. I will get 12 months work, on a one time only. Next point, the minimum wages for a farm laborer set by the growth of rupees 60 per day. Badala gets only rupees 35 to 40. It means according to the government, they will give it as a labor 300 rupees. But in a village, minimum wages the government decided as a labor we will give rupees 60 per day, but Dala only gets rupees 35 to 40. Next point, Dala complains about his situation to Ramkali, who is another farm labor. Same thing, the Ramkali and the Dala both are liberal and they are discussing his feeling and his emotions, ki what is going on, and daily basis we are not getting as a liberal work on a farm. Next point, both Dala and Ramkali are among the poorest people in the village. Both are very poor in the village and their surviving is very hard to them. So let we will move to the next slide. Here is the story of village Palampur. The two peoples are communicating with each other. First, it is difficult to find work these days. Only the large farmers hire us, and that too for very limited numbers of days. It means the large farmers are able to hire these poor peoples. Next communicator, Ghanshyam, the large farmer, had just brought a harvester, so we are going to get even less work during the harvest season this year. Last year I worked for less than 5 months in the whole year. You are able to see the second person saying 12 months. Within 12 months only I worked 5 months only. Next, we have tractors for ploughing, harvester for harvesting, thresher for threshing, even for removing weeds. Some farmers spray weedicide. It means We have all type of innovative technology, equipments are available, but still we are waiting for a laboring work, and the responsibility are also divided in different laborers. Next, I owe the local money lender rupee 2000. I had taken rupees 1000 last summer when no work was available in the fields. How will I ever repay? I hardly earn enough for 2 square meals. It means they are saying the next individual. It means they are taking the money with the money lender rupees 2000, and they are only given 1000 rupees. It means for running his family, for running his livelihood, they are taking the money with the money lenders and the big large persons. But it's very problematic to this particular person how they repay the money back. Next, this year I will have to look for work in the brick making unit in Raniganj. It means they are going in a factory. There the bricks are made. For the sake of that thing, they will just move in Raniganj. Next, my situation is not much better due to past debt. The money lenders refuse to give me any loan because this next individual will not pay or will not giving the money to this labor because they are not able to pay the money, they are not able to pay money back to the money lender. So that was the main reason money lender refused to give money to this particular labor. Now we will move to the next slide. Now 6th point is the capital needed in farming. First, fertilizer and pesticide. She needs cash to buy water and repair her farm instrument. For agriculture, we needed fertilizer and pesticides. Next, she estimates that the working capital itself would cost at a minimum of rupees 3000. Working capital itself needed the cost at least 3000 rupees. Next, she doesn't have the money, so she decided to borrow from Tejpal Singh, a large farmer. The poor farmers, they don't have a money, so for doing the cultivation of agriculture, they borrow the money from Tejpal Singh, a large farmer. Next, agrees to give Savita the loan at an interest rate of 24% for 4 months. It means the money lender will be agree to give money to Savita for 24% for a 4 month only. Next, Savita also has to promise to work on his field as a farm labor during the harvest season at rupees 35 per day. Savita giving the promise to the money lender, I will work on your field as a farm labor for harvesting season rupees only 35 rupees per day. Next, Savita knows that she will have to work very hard to complete harvesting on her own field and then work as a farm labor for Tejpal Singh. It is very problematic to this lady. She will do the hard work is in his own field and afterward she will work as a farm laborer for a Tejpal Singh land. Next, the harvest time is a very busy line. Harvesting time is quite busy for Savita also. Next, as a mother of 3 children, she has a lot of household responsibility. The Savita had 3 kids and a lot of responsibility is in his own shoulders. Next, among the 3 factors of production, we found that labor is the most abundant factor of production. The main 3 factors already we seen in a previous slide, but labor is very important factor of productions. Next, there are many people who are willing to work as a farm laborers in the village. There are so many people, they are interested, they are keen desire to work as a farm laborer in a different villages because they are not getting a job or they are not getting the security to work on a land on a particular 12 months. Next, they belong to either landless family. They are belonging to a landless family. So we will move to the next slide. Now, the 7th topic is sale of surplus from products. First, the wheat is harvested and production is complete. Second, the retain is a part of the wheat for the family's consumption and sell the surplus wheat. It means the part of the wheat for the family consumption, they are keep it with them, and afterwards surplus production or surplus wheat they are selling in a market. Next, small farmers like Savita and Gobind sons have little land. Two farmers are there like Savita and Gobind. They have a own little land. Next is the medium and large farmers who supply wheat to the market. The medium person or the large farmers or the money lenders, they are supplying wheat on the different market and doing the export and import, especially on a trade. Next, the traders at the market buy the wheat and sell it further to shopkeepers in the town. It means the big traders, they are going in a market, they are buying the wheat, and afterwards they are selling in a small shopkeepers or small shops in the town. Next, Tejpal Singh, the large farmer, has a surplus of 350 quintals of wheat from all his land. Tejpal he is a large farmer, so he will getting the surplus production of 350 quintals of wheat from his own land. He sells the surplus wheat at Raiganj market and has good earning. They will selling the surplus production of wheat in a Raiganj market and they are getting the good earning or good profit also. Next, last year, Tejpal Singh had put most of the money in his bank account. Later, he used the saving for lending to farmers like Savita who were in need of a loan. Tejpal Singh, whatever the money they are getting, they are putting in a bank account. And afterwards, like Savita, like poor peoples, they are asking about the loan on that time. His own saving they utilize for lending to farmers and they're getting more and more profit because they do the exploitation to giving the money to the poor peoples and afterwards high interest, with the high interest taking a lots of money. Next, this year Tejpal Singh plans to use his earning to buy another tractor. Another tractor will increase his fixed capital. Tejpal plan out for his future also. For the sake of they are getting the high earning, they are purchasing the new tractor, and tractor is a fixed capital. Why? Because only one time they will purchase and for a whole year or for a future they will utilize, especially in a agriculture or for a cultivation system. Next, a part of the earning is saved and kept for buying capital for the next session. Whatever the money or whatever the earning they are saving and they kept for buying capital for the next session, and they are utilizing the money for purchasing the new capital or the fixed capital for the next session. Next, they are able to arrange for the capital for farming from their own saving. It means whatever the money they are getting, they are utilizing, they are arranging to take or to purchasing the capital, because this capital will give his more production or more profits. Last point, some farmers might also use the saving to buy cattle, trucks, or to set up shops. As we shall see, these constitute the capital for non-farming activities. Some farmers, they are using his money or his savings to buy cattle like buffalo, cow. They are purchasing trucks, tractors, and they are set up shops, or we will say the small shops they are opening in a village, and we were able to see that thing. This constitute the capital for non-farming activities, and they are doing the non-farming activities especially in a village also. Now we will move to the next slide. Topic. Now previously we will read about the farming activities. We will move to non-farming activities in Palampur. First, dairy. The other common activities mostly the peoples are doing because they are cattling in a field also, or they are just domesticated the animals. Dairy is a common activity in many families of Palampur. People feed their buffaloes on various kind of grass and the jowar and bajra that grow during the rainy season. The milk is sold in Raiganj, the nearby large village. Two traders from Shahpur town have set up collection cum chilling centers at Raiganj. Dairy is a common activity for especially the families of Palampur. They are getting the proper feed by the buffaloes because various kind of grass and the feeding things like jowar and bajra is available in rainy season. They are selling the milk especially on Raiganj near the village and Shahpur. The two main traders are there from Shahpur town, and they are collecting the dairy productivity and they are selling in a market. Next point, an example of small scale manufacturing in Palampur. It means small types of productivity they are doing, especially the imaginary village in Palampur. First, at present, less than 50 people are engaged in manufacturing in Palampur. 50 people, less than 50 people are engaged or they are doing the manufacturing in Palampur, like they are making the agarbattis, they are making the carpet, small things they are making. Second, unlike the manufacturing that takes place in the big factories in the towns and cities, manufacturing in Palampur involves very simple production method. Like manufacturing, they are doing take place in the big factories. They are going in a big factories in the town and cities, and they are manufacturing different type of commodities or production they are doing. Next, they are carried out mostly at home or in the fields with the help of family labour. Rarely are labours hired. They are totally carried out mostly at home or in the fields with the help of family labours. They are busy to they are busy on a factory, and otherwise they are busy on his own land as a family labours. Rarely are labours hired. They are not hiring the labours especially on a factories. Next, Mishri Lal has purchased a mechanical sugarcane crushing machine run on electricity and has set it up on his field. Mishri Lal, they are utilizing his money to purchasing mechanical sugarcane crushing machine because the electricity is available in village Palampur, and the full utilization they are doing of electricity, and they are set up in his own field. Next point, sugarcane crushing was earlier done with the help of bullocks. Earlier they are using the traditional method, they are using the bullocks, but right now they are using the technological method like sugarcane crushing they are using especially in a field. So let us move to next slide. Now the third point is the shopkeepers of Palampur. First, the traders of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from wholesale market in the cities and sell them in the village. The richest person or the richest traders, they are purchasing the good and commodities with the wholesalers markets, and afterwards they are selling in the small villages. Next, we'll see small general stores in the village selling a wide range of items like rice, wheat, sugar, tea and oil. It means small general shops are available. They have all type of commodities are available, and afterwards they are selling to the small laborers like rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil. Next, a few of the families whose houses are close to the bus stand have used up part of the space to open small shops. They sell eatable items. For example, small families are there. They are utilizing the land which are available near to the bus stand, and they are working as a vendors. It means they are selling the eatable items in a small shop. Openly they are selling. Next, Karim has opened a computer class center in the village. In a village, Karim opened the computer class because they have a knowledge about the computer. The two ladies in the village who had a degree in computer application. It means you are able to see the education or the knowledge is available in the village. The peoples are literate also. Next point, fourth, transport, a fast developing sector. You know very well, village to village, city to city, transportation is very important. First point, there are variety of vehicles on the road connecting Palampur to Raigganj. It means with the proper variety of vehicles, road will be connected with Palampur to Raigganj. They are using the transportation system like rickshawalas, tongawalas, jeep, tractor, truck drivers, and people driving the traditional bullock cart and buggy are people in the transport system. They are using different type of transportation systems. Next point, they ferry peoples and goods from one place another. It means they are moving with the small things one place to another place also, and in return get paid for it, and they are getting some amount also. The number of peoples involved in transport has grown over the last several years. Means number of peoples are involved in a transportation system also, because they are with the people, they are moving one place to another people's like rickshawalas, like tongawalas, and they are getting some amount to move one place to another place. Now, this is all about the chapter. I hope you understand each and everything. If you have any doubts or any query regarding the video, please share me in a live session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.